हेलो एंड वेलकम। आज यूजीसी नेट पेपर 2 कॉमर्स का 24 जून 2026 को शिफ्ट 2 में जो क्वेश्चन पेपर पूछा था उसका सेट 2 सॉल्व करने वाले, और पेपर 1 जनरल पेपर का क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑलरेडी सॉल्व करके अपलोड कर दिया है, तो आप प्लेलिस्ट चेकआउट कर सकते हो। आज स्टार्ट करेंगे कॉमर्स का क्वेश्चन पेपर पेपर 2, और सेट 1 जैसे ही मेरे पास अवेलेबल होता है मैं वीडियो अपलोड कर दूंगा। तो स्टे ट्यून्ड। लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ कॉमर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 50 बिलोंग्स टू पेपर 1। तो हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 से स्टार्ट करेंगे। तो पेपर 2 कॉमर्स का क्वेश्चन पेपर एनालाइज करते हैं, और डिटेल्ड वीडियो में बाद में लेकर आऊंगा। अभी सिर्फ हम करेक्ट आंसर की क्या होगी उसके ऊपर डिस्कशन करेंगे, और जो भी क्वेश्चंस होंगे वो सब शफल्ड हो सकते हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 से। मीनिंग ऑफ अनपेड सेलर इज डैश। करेक्ट आंसर इज द पर्सन हु हैज सोल्ड द गुड्स एंड हैज नॉट रिसीव्ड द प्राइस इज अनपेड सेलर। ऑप्शन 3 is correct answer. Next, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is an example of social marketing. Correct answer is option 2. It aims to change public or social behavior. So option 2 is correct answer. Next, which type of studies would be most appropriate to use in order to measure changed opinion of customers repeatedly? तो क्वेश्चन में पूछा है कि विच स्टडी मेजर्स चेंजिंग कंज्यूमर ओपिनियंस रिपीटेडली। करेक्ट आंसर इज longitudinal studies. Option 3 is correct answer. Next, which type of retailer involved in comparatively low price as a major selling point combined with reduced cost of doing business? Convenience store, discount retailer, limited line retailers, or category killer store? Option 2 is correct answer. It is discount retailers. Next, telemarketing is a part of direct marketing. Option 3 is correct answer. Next, after concept testing, a firm would engage in which of the following stage in developing and marketing new product? So correct answer is marketing strategy development. पहले आइडिया जनरेशन होगा, फिर कॉन्सेप्ट टेस्टिंग होगा, दैट इज टेस्ट मार्केटिंग, देन मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी डेवलपमेंट होगा, देन बिजनेस एनालिसिस एंड प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट। तो ऑप्शन 2 इज करेक्ट आंसर। डेवलपिंग एंड मार्केटिंग न्यू प्रोडक्ट इज related to marketing strategy development. Next, a marketer need to be aware of the criteria by which the effectiveness of their segmentation procedures can be assessed. Which of the following is not a criterion for evaluating the resulting market segment? Perishability, size of resulting segment, measurability, and accessibility. So, which of the following is not a criterion? Perishability is not a criterion. Option 1 is correct answer. Next, skimming in e-banking refers to identifying fraudster copying vital information from credit card. Correct. Option 1 is correct answer. Next, tax audit is compulsory in case of person is carrying on business whose gross turnover exceeds dash. Correct answer is option 2, 1 crore. Next, Mr. X is entitled to transport allowance 1800 per month for commuting from his residence to office and back, and he spends 1400 per month. The exemption will be the actual amount spent. That is option 2, 1400 per month. Correct answer. But remember, now as per current tax provision, it is withdrawn. It is no longer valid. 2026-27 से अभी ये क्वेश्चन एप्लीकेबल नहीं होगा। Next, belief, attitude, tradition, and expectation, which are shaped by group member, is called group norms, communication, cohesiveness, or group structure. Option 1 is correct answer, group norms. Next, which of the following method of training is not a part of the job training method? तो हमें पूछा है कि ऑन द जॉब ट्रेनिंग मेथड कौन सा है, ओजेटी कौन सा है, सेंसिटिविटी ट्रेनिंग, ट्रांजिशनल एनालिसिस, अप्रेंटिसशिप, और कॉन्फ्रेंस मेथड. ऑप्शन 3 इज करेक्ट आंसर. इट इज ओजेटी. Next, in a moderately skewed distribution, which of the following equation indicates the relationship among mean, median, and mode? Correct answer is mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean. Next, goodness of fit of distribution is tested by chi-square test. Correct answer option 3. Next, in a survey, people are chosen from class friends or neighbors for the purpose of knowing their preference for the certain brand of soft drink. Is an example of convenience sampling. Option 1 is correct answer. नेबरहुड से या क्लास फ्रेंड से डेटा कलेक्ट करना, दैट इज convenience sampling method. Next, suppose that a firm has 20% debt and 80% equity in its capital structure. The cost of debt and cost of equity are assumed to be 10% KD and 15% KE. Respectively, what is the overall cost of capital? तो वेटेड एवरेज कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल का फॉर्मूला पूछा है, तो फॉर्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है. So proportion is 20% into cost of debt is 10% plus weight of equity is 80% and cost of equity is 15%. So 2% plus 12% equals to 14%. Correct answer is option 4. Next, A Limited has a share capital of 5,000 equity shares of 100 rupees each. Market value 150 rupees per share. The company wants to raise additional fund of 120 rupees and offers the existing shareholder the right to apply for new shares at 120 rupees for every 5 shares held. Given और held का रेशियो है 1 shares given for every 5 shares. 1:5 का रेशियो होगा. What would be the value of right? So new shares issued equals to 1,20,000 shares divided by 120 rupees per share. So 1,000 shares required to be issued. Now value of right equals to market price per share minus issue price per share divided by number of old shares plus new shares, total number of shares. So 150 market value minus 120 issue price divided by 5 new share, 5 old share plus 1 new share. So 30 divided by 6 is 5 rupees per share is right value. Option 1 is correct answer. Next, which of the following is most pervasive and sustaining objective of financial decision making? Profit maximization, earning maximization, value maximization, or cost maximization? Wealth maximization or value maximization is correct answer. Next, political risk management comes in the ambit of which of the following financial decision? Non-conventional capital budgeting, international currency arbitrage, forex market और multinational capital budgeting. ऑप्शन 4 इज करेक्ट आंसर. पॉलिटिकल रिस्क जब दो या दो से ज्यादा कंट्री के बीच में ट्रांजेक्शन होता है तभी फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन के केस में कवर होता है. बाकी सब तो करेंसी रिस्क कवर करता है, पॉलिटिकल रिस्क इसमें कवर करता है. नेक्स्ट, X and Y are partners in business sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. They admit Z as a new partner with 1/5 share in the profit. Calculate new profit sharing ratio of the partner. The old ratio between X and Y is 3:2. New ratio and Z is admitted with 1/5 share. So new ratio will be for X 3/5 into 4/5 जो remaining होगा equals to 12/25. Y का होगा 2/5 multiply by 4/5 equals to 8/25 और Z का होगा 1/5 equals to which is 5/25. 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो हो जाएगा 5/25. तो रेशियो बनेगा 12:8:5. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 1. Next, if activity ratio of a firm is 80%, capacity ratio 120, find out its efficiency ratio. So, activity ratio equals to capacity ratio multiplied by efficiency ratio. So, efficiency ratio equals to AR divided by CR. So, AR is 80% and CR is 120%. Into 100 करेंगे तो हमें ER मिलेगा. So, which is 66.67%. Option 4 is correct answer. Next, when current ratio is 2 is to 1 and if equal increase in current asset and current liability would result in, for example, current ratio is 2 is to 1. तो अगर ये करंट एसेट 200 है, करंट लाइबिलिटी 100 है, इक्वल इंक्रीज इन करंट एसेट एंड करंट लाइबिलिटी, मतलब अगर हम 100 ऐड कर दें दोनों में तो बन जाएगा 3:2, दैट इज 1.5:1. तो क्या हो गया, करंट रेशियो डिक्रीज होगा. सो डिक्रीज इन करंट रेशियो, ऑप्शन 3 इज करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्ट इक्वेशन? Opening capital equals to closing capital plus drawing minus additional capital minus profit. Option 3 is correct answer. Next, in penetration pricing, a business firm seeks to access deeper market penetration by keeping prices low. Option 3 is correct answer. Next, suboptimal allocation of resources under monopoly to cause social welfare loss is often referred as deadweight loss is correct answer. सिंपल मीनिंग क्या होता है? मोनोपोली प्रोड्यूसेस लेस क्वांटिटी एंड चार्जेस हाई प्राइस देन परफेक्ट कंपटीशन, सो दैट देयर विल बी कंज्यूमर लॉस एंड प्रोड्यूसर विल बी इन सरप्लस. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डेडवेट लॉस. ऑप्शन 1 करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, which of the following is the first order condition to profit maximization? Total revenue minus total cost, MR equals to MC, MR cuts MC from below, or slopes MC curve must be higher than the MR curve. Correct answer is when MR equals to MC, there will be profit maximization. So option 2 is correct answer. It is the first condition. Next, a price ceiling below equilibrium price often leads to shortage of commodity and black marketing is correct answer. Option 3. Next, for a decline in price, TR increases if demand is elastic. Option 1 is correct answer. Next, when consumer seeks to be different and exclusive by demanding less of a commodity as more people consume it, this phenomenon is called as snob effect is correct answer. Snob consumers value exclusivity. Therefore, when there is price decline, the quantity demanded also falls. For example, limited edition watch जो होती है वो, या फिर demand reduces when the price becomes popular because they no longer feel unique. That is the snob effect. Option 2 is correct answer. Next, which of the following policy has lost its sheen consequent to implementation of GST law in India? Monetary policy, fiscal, trade policy, exim policy. So correct answer is fiscal policy. क्वेश्चन में बोला है कि which of the following policy has lost its significance due to implementation of GST law in India? So fiscal policy is correct answer because fiscal policy is related to government revenue and expenditure. Now, due to introduction of GST, many of indirect tax subsumed into one, that is GST. So, GST taxation is a part of fiscal policy. So, option 2 is correct answer. Next, reverse repo rate is tool used by RBI primarily to absorb the liquidity. मार्केट से मनी सप्लाई विड्रॉ करने के लिए रेपो रेट यूज करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, a multinational firm is one which controls and operates production facility in multiple countries. Option 3 is correct answer. Next, grouping of country committed to remove all barriers to the free flow of goods and services between themselves means member countries की बात हो रही है. And also pursued independent external trade policy is called FTA, CU, CM और EU. करेक्ट आंसर इज फ्री ट्रेड एरिया. देखो, अब यहाँ पे फ्री ट्रेड एरिया में सारे बैरियर्स, ट्रेड बैरियर्स रिमूव किया जाएगा और एक्सटर्नल बैरियर इंडिपेंडेंट होगा। कस्टम यूनियन में ट्रेड बैरियर्स तो रिमूव होगा पर कॉमन एक्सटर्नल टैरिफ चार्ज करते हैं। सारी मेंबर कंट्रीज दूसरी कंट्रीज से कॉमन टैरिफ चार्ज करेगी, दैट इज कॉमन एक्सटर्नल टैरिफ। कॉमन मार्केट में रिमूव तो होगा टैरिफ बैरियर, प्लस फ्री मूवमेंट ऑफ ऑल फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन होगा, जबकि कॉमन एक्सटर्नल टैरिफ कंटिन्यू करेंगे। और ईयू में क्या होगा, कॉमन मार्केट तो होगा, मीन्स सब रिमूव किया जाएगा, फ्री मूवमेंट ऑफ फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन भी होगा, प्लस इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी भी सेम होती है, कॉमन इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसी होती है। सो ऑप्शन 1 is correct answer, free trade area. Now, IPR protects the use of information and ideas that are of commercial value. 3 option is correct answer. Uppsala model of internationalization of business operation is not valid for service organization. Option 2 is correct answer, due to the nature of service. Next, who coined the metaphor invisible hand in the theory of moral sentiment? एडम स्मिथ इज करेक्ट आंसर। 1759 में उन्होंने बुक लिखी थी द थियोरी ऑफ मोरल सेंटिमेंट्स, उसमें उन्होंने एक्सप्लेन किया है। ऑप्शन 4 इज करेक्ट आंसर, एडम स्मिथ। नेक्स्ट, द डिफेंडर ऑफ sustainability approach towards CSR point out that all economic activity exists within the biosphere of support all life, correct? The success of business must be judged only against profitability? No. People have strong ethical duty to cause no harm and only prime facie duty मतलब primary duty to prevent harm, correct? The business sole responsibility? No. Customer service is most important? No. A and C is most appropriate answer. Option 3 is correct answer here. CSR के related पूछा है। Next, objective of energy management and audit invariably includes which of the following in business enterprise? Minimizing cost of energy consumption, correct? Cost reduction होना चाहिए। Minimizing waste in energy consumption, correct? Conservation होना चाहिए, waste reduce होना चाहिए। Scaling harmful impact of pollution on health of natives. Scaling means reducing harmful impact of pollution on health is not energy related. Minimizing environmental degradation, correct. ABD is correct. So option 3 is correct answer. Next, organizational socialization is one very important aspect of orientation, the introduction of new employee to the enterprise. Which of the following are not designed for the socialization of new manager? Socialization, orientation के लिए कौन सा, which of the following is not designed? So question is asking which of the following is not the objective of orientation for new manager? Acquisition of work skill and ability, or adoption of appropriate role behavior, adjustment to the norms and value of work group, filing a vacant position. Option D only is correct. So option 4 is correct answer, because filing a vacant position comes before the socialization begins. So option D or option 4 is correct answer. Next, the consumer's price sensitivity is influenced by who bears the cost, what percentage of total expenditure does product represents, that is budget, who bears the cost and type of retailer from where customer purchase, type of retailer important नहीं है, consumption of product by customer, that is consumption pattern, and knowledge about the product. So apart from C, A, B, D is correct answer. Option 4. Next, which of these are repeatedly accepted distinguished characteristics of services that create unique strategic challenges? Inflexibility, perishability, inseparability, intangibility, and inscrutability. So पेरिशेबल होता है सर्विस, इनसेपरेबल होता है फ्रॉम द सर्विस प्रोवाइडर, intangible होता है that is it cannot be touched or seen. So B, C, D are correct. Inflexibility, inscrutability are not features. So B, C, D are correct. Option 1 is correct answer. Next, suppose a customer who purchase only two goods in making utility maximizing choice, then the price of one goods decreases. What will happen? If price reduces, the consumer's purchasing power will increase, correct? Consumer's total utility will increase, correct? Consumer money income will increase? No. Income will remain constant. So option A, B only are correct. Option 2 is correct answer. Next, which of the following could be problem with consumer interview? Non-random sample, identification problem, and respondent bias. Option 1 is correct. Sampling bias. And option C is correct. Response bias. So A and C only are correct because this is not the problem. Identification of problem is the main reason to conduct consumer interview. Option 1 and C are correct. Next, process costing is appropriate for which of the following forms? Logistic and transportation, pharmaceutical, healthcare, tourism and hospitality, or oil refining firms. D is only correct answer because all others are सर्विस इंडस्ट्रीज, तो उसमें ऑपरेशनल कॉस्टिंग लगेगा. प्रोसेस कॉस्टिंग मतलब जहां पे कोई भी प्रोडक्शन डिफरेंट प्रोसेस के थ्रू जा सके, तो वो जनरली गुड्स के लिए होता है, दैट इज ऑयल. अदर्स आर सर्विस सेक्टर. सो ऑपरेशनल कॉस्टिंग और सर्विस कॉस्टिंग अप्लाई होगा. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट आंसर फॉर प्रोसेस कॉस्टिंग. नेक्स्ट, in order to calculate capital adequacy ratio, banks are required to take into consideration which of the following risk? Credit risk, market risk, operational risk, all of three. So option 4 is correct answer. Next, identify on which of three mutually reinforcing pillar Basel 3 capital regulations are based. Minimum capital standard, supervisory review of capital adequacy, credit risk management, market discipline, management control. So only A, B, D are correct. C, credit risk management is related to pillar 1. So A, B, D, option 2 is correct answer. Next, which of the following are sufficient to determine shutdown point of multi-commodity firm in short run? Variable cost of operation, marginal revenue received, average variable cost of operation, average marginal revenue received. So variable cost of operation is alone is not sufficient. So B, C, D are correct. Option 4 is correct answer. Shutdown rule ही क्या है? Continuous production will be done if TR or AR or P is greater than or equal to AVC, average variable cost. And if AR is less than ABC, then there will be shutdown point. बिजनेस शट डाउन कर देना चाहिए. AR का मीनिंग क्या होता है? प्राइस. सो प्राइस, इफ प्राइस इज बिलो एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, देन बिजनेस शुड शट डाउन. तो ऑप्शन 4 is correct answer. Next, channel conflict can be vertical, horizontal, diagonal, circular, and triangular. A, B, C are correct. Next, which of the following retail analytic application involves the use of search techniques to gain insight into consumers' buying pattern? Factor analysis, regression analysis, both are statistical analysis tool. Data mining is correct. Data scraping is data collection technique, and data cloning means duplicating the data. So only C is correct. Option 4 is correct answer. Next, which of the following narratives describe Fisher effect? Nominal interest rate is equal to real interest rate plus expected interest rate. Real interest rate is equal to nominal interest rate minus expected interest rate. Exchange rate differential between two countries is explained by interest inflation rate differential, or exchange rate differential between two countries is explained by comparative cost advantage and purchasing power theory. So A, B, C are correct. D is not correct because comparative cost advantage theory is related to international trade. It is international trade theory. And purchasing power parity theory is exchange rate theory. So D is incorrect and A, B, C only are correct description of Fisher effect. Next, which of the following include problems in forecasting? Estimates becoming more reliable the further you forecast into the future? No. The further you forecast, it becomes less reliable. Specification error, cyclical variation, stationary in data series, consistency in data series. B, C, D are correct. Option 2 is correct answer. Next, which of the following holds true to successfully practice price discrimination? तो क्वेश्चन में पूछा है कि अगर कस्टमर से डिफरेंट प्राइस चार्ज करना है फॉर द सेम प्रोडक्ट, देन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू? जो मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन में होता है, चार्जिंग डिफरेंट प्राइस फ्रॉम डिफरेंट मार्केट और डिफरेंट कस्टमर्स फॉर द सेम प्रोडक्ट. द फर्म मस्ट बी प्योर मोनोपोली? नो. द फर्म मस्ट possess market power? Correct. It must be difficult for customer in one market to sell the consumer in the other market. Correct. B and C are correct. Option 2 is correct answer. जो टर्म है उसको बोलते हैं आर्बिट्राज. मतलब बाइंग फ्रॉम वन मार्केट and selling in another market at higher price. That is arbitrage. Next, in a monopolistically competitive market, which of the following hold true? So they are asking to identify features of monopolistic competitive market, such as many sellers, product differentiation, free entry and exit, or some market power, etc. So firms are small relative to total market, correct? No firm has any market power, no. There is easy entry and exit in the market, correct? Few firms have market power, or there is no easy entry and exit. So A and C are correct. Option 4 is correct answer. Even D is almost correct, but D is not given in the question. So few firms have market power. That is also correct point. Next, span of management is determined by managers training, personal qualities, subordinate training, trade union. So 1, 2, 3 are correct. Trade union is not correct. Option 2 is correct answer. Next, the shutdown refers to complete cessation or closing down of the business. It involves which of the following? Shutdown means business close down करना है तो क्या procedure रहेगा? No buying, selling, no manufacturing, shifting of business from one place to another, assets to be sold or dispose of, and returning the capital to the owners. So 1, 2, 4, 5 is correct. When business closes down, then there will be no buying and selling, no manufacturing activity. All the assets will be sold off, repay the liabilities, and return the amount of investment to the owner. So 1, 2, 4, 5 is correct. 1, 2, 4, 5. Option 1 is correct answer. Next, which of the following are related to vouching of sales? Dispatch of goods, sales book, डायरेक्ट नोट्स, क्रेडिट नोट्स. डायरेक्ट नोट्स नहीं होना चाहिए, वो डेबिट नोट होता है. सो ओनली ए एंड बी आर करेक्ट. ए एंड बी एंड ए. ऑप्शन 3 इज करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, लिस्ट 1 and 2 मैच द फॉलोइंग है. एडॉक टीम फॉर्म टू सॉल्व अनयूजुअल प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज टास्क फोर्स. फॉर टेम्परेरी पीरियड जो होता है वो टास्क फोर्स होता है. अनयूजुअल प्रॉब्लम है ना, इसलिए वो टेम्परेरी प्रॉब्लम से. तो ए 2. Then suitable when there are large number of small project. Matrix organization. 4. Status. free and hierarchy free organization, free from organization, and digital or .com organization, virtual organization. 2431. 2431 is correct. Next, inability to pay interest, interest coverage ratio, liquidity crisis, current ratio, or liquid ratio, inefficient collection of receivable, data turnover ratio, and return of shareholder fund much higher than overall return on investment debt equity ratio. So, correct sequence is 3, 1, 2, 4. 3, 1, 2, 4. Option 1 is correct answer. Next, match the list 1 and 2, market forms and distinctive features. Perfect competition, monopoly, monopolistic competition, oligopoly. Price rigidity, product improvement, homogeneous product, price discrimination. Perfect competition, homogeneous product, monopoly, price discrimination, monopolistic competition, product improvement, oligopoly, price rigidity. 3, 4, 2, 1 is correct. Option 3 is correct answer. Next, theoretical foundation of global trade and economist. Absolute cost advantage theory by Adam Smith. Factor endowment theory by Heckscher Ohlin. National competitive advantage Michael Porter. Comparative cost advantage theory by David Ricardo. 4312 is correct sequence. Option 1 is correct answer. Next, list 1 and 2. Indian Contract Act 1872. Right to Information 2005. IT Act 2000 and Competition Act 2002. 2341. 2341. Option 4 is correct answer. Next, relationship banking. Creating, maintaining and enforcing strong relationship with customer. 4. Then merchant banking, engaged in business of capital issue management. Indigenous bank, dealing with dealing in hundis and acceptance of deposit. And development banking, widening the entrepreneurial base and assist in rapid rate of economic industrial growth. 4312 is correct sequence and option 3 is correct answer. Next, product life cycle stage and international competition. Introduction, growth, maturity and decline stage. So on the introduction stage, a few competitors are at home. 3. During growth stage, competitor in high income country begin production for their domestic market. Maturity stage, when companies from one higher income countries increase export to innovating country. And decline stage, competitor from other higher income country may begin production in developing country. So 3412 is correct sequence. Option 1 is correct answer. Next, what is the correct sequence of distribution of amount realized under section 154 of CGST? Correct sequence is appropriated against the administrative cost of the recovery process, then appropriated against the amount due to be recovered from the defaulter, then the amount due from defaulter under the Act of IGST 2017, and lastly, balance amount, if any, shall be refunded to the defaulter. So A, C, B, D are correct sequence. Option 2 is correct answer. Next, which of the following is correct sequence? Income under different head of income, deduction from GTI, adjustment of losses of the current year and earlier year, and rounding off. So correct sequence is again calculate income under different heads, then adjust any losses. This will be the second. A, C, then B, deduction of GTI, and then D, rounding off of total income. So A, C, B, D is correct. Option 1 is correct answer. Arrange the following management function in logical sequence of getting things done. Planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, and controlling. So ACDF, ACB, FDE are correct sequence. Option 2 is correct answer. Next, sequence the following CSR eligibility criteria and spending as per the provision of the Indian Companies Act 2013. Positive net worth 500 crore or more, 2% of average profit spent on CSR, net profit of 5 crore or more in given financial year, turnover of 1000 crore or more, and penal action for non-compliance. So correct sequence will be A, positive net worth 500 crore or more. Then turnover 1000 crore or more, D. Then net profit 5 crore or more in financial year, C. Then 2% profit, B. And lastly, penal action for non-compliance. So ADCBE is correct sequence. Next, sequence of the step in CRM process. कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजमेंट प्रोसेस में प्रॉपर स्टेप्स क्या होंगे? Developing CRM program, collecting customer data, analyzing customer data, identifying target customer, and implementing the program. So correct sequence is collection of customer data, then analyze the data, then identify target customer, then developing the CRM program and implementing the program. So correct sequence B, C, D, A, E. Option 2 is correct answer. Next, sequence the following activity in the process of standard costing. Establishing standard measurement of actual cost, identifying variance and causes of variance, disposing the variance and to the cost and profit center, and comparing actual with standard cost. So first step is establish standard cost. Then second step, measure actual cost. Then third step is compare actual with standard one. You will find some variance, that is difference. So C, and lastly take corrective action, that is D. So correct sequence is ABECD. Option 1 is correct answer. Next, sequence the following activities in the process of accounting. Journalizing, recording business transaction, prepare final account, prepare trial balance, deriving meaningful inference from for business decision. So first step is recording the business transaction in books of accounts, then journalizing, then preparing trial balance, final account, and then take decision or conclude. So correct sequence is BADCE. Option 4 is correct answer. Next, sequence the following in capital budgeting process. Cash flow estimation, identifying discount rate, project selection, decision, and determination of net present value. So correct sequence is cash flow estimate karo, identify discount rate, that is P factor, then determine NPV by deducting NPV, that is present value cash outflow minus present value in cash inflow, net present value मिलेगा. And then project select karo. If NPV is positive, then accept it or reject the project. So ABDC is correct sequence. Option 2 is correct answer. Next, which two of the following are correct about TDS certification? TDS on salary payment form 16 correct. Non-salary payment 16A is also correct. TDS on rent 16B, sale of property 16C. B and AB are correct. Option 2 is correct answer. Next, statement 1 and 2. Contract whose objects or consideration are unlawful are void, correct? Contracts in restraint of legal proceedings are also void, correct? Both are correct. Option 1 is correct answer. Next, assertion reason. Worker participation in management is involved of workers is involvement of worker only in such areas of activities of the enterprise where they can make some positive contribution, correct? Workers may not be competent enough to understand and appreciate the managerial aspect of enterprise. Correct. Both are correct and R is also correct explanation. So option 2 is correct answer. क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है कि वर्कर का पार्टिसिपेशन मैनेजमेंट में सिर्फ वहीं पे होना चाहिए जहां पे वो पॉजिटिव कंट्रीब्यूशन कर सके. दैट इज करेक्ट. जबकि टॉप लेवल मैनेजमेंट में उनका काम नहीं होता है। तो वर्कर आर नॉट may not be competent enough to understand and appreciate managerial aspect, that is top level management टीम के मीटिंग में, डायरेक्टर्स मीटिंग में उनका पार्टिसिपेशन नहीं होना चाहिए। बोथ आर करेक्ट एंड आर इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन। ऑप्शन 2 इज करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट, assertion credit flow of agriculture and small medium enterprise sector have increased in recent years। करेक्ट, क्रेडिट फ्लो इंक्रीज हुआ है। The Reserve Bank of India has gradually relaxed various controls in credit market। Both are correct, but R is not correct explanation to A। दोनों का कोई रिलेशन नहीं है, but both are correct। So option 2 is correct answer। Next, assertion reason trim and trips provisions facilitate and promote foreign direct investment। Correct. Trim trip provision remove restriction and address capital flow sensitivities। No. A is correct, R is not correct। Option 3 is correct answer। Last question. Equilibrium price of commodity is the price at which the quantity demanded of the commodity equals to commodity supply। Correct. Equilibrium price. Option assertion is correct। Equilibrium is the condition once determined tend to persist in time। Also correct। A and R both are correct, but R is not correct explanation of A। So option 2 is correct answer। So here we have completed paper 2 commerce 24th June 26 set 2। सेट 1 जल्दी अवेलेबल होगा, रिकॉर्डिंग करके अपलोड करूंगा विद इन 2 days। सो यू कैन वेट फॉर दैट। सी यू सून। हैप्पी लर्निंग। बाय।